Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop background apps running on your Android phone or your Samsung phone. So I want to swipe down from the top right and go to settings right here. Let's go all the way down to the bottom to About Phone. Choose this. And then go down to where it says Software Information. Click this. Go to the build number and tap this 5 times. Then unlock the developer mode. Great. Then we can back out. Go to the home screen here, or the main settings menu, and go to developer mode. Choose this. And then look for something called running services. Then we can go to any app and we can stop it from running in the background. So we can go to this app lock right here, and I can just stop it from running in the background. So this should be stopped. I don't see it anymore. So if something is running that's just causing you a problem for whatever reason, looks like not a whole lot of services are running right now, actually. So that's a good thing. So you can just stop your apps from running. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.